How we doing, guys? I've just got around to watching this video that was linked in IPS's chat yesterday by, I think it was DIRTH or Mark Sargent. I can't remember exactly who it was. It goes so fast in that chat. But yeah, they said, have a look at this video, how slow the rocket takes off. It's a pretty joke. And I then just got around to watching it, and it made me laugh so much I thought I've got to share it. So here we go.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Look at that. Is this bit that got me? Come on. With all that flame and fire and power behind it. Look at that.
And we have left off.
Look. It's questionable, isn't it? It's questionable. That's the SpaceX Bulgaria stat. I think he's about to tell us in a video something about it.
Falcon 9 is on its way to delivering Bulgaria Sat-1 to a geostationary transfer orbit.
So there you go. Peace on the plane, guys.